Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these thoughts, and if you like them, please like and share the video. Now, let's get started.
Do the best you can until you know better. Then, when you know better, do the better. Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. You can do what you have to do, and sometimes you can do it even better than you think you can. It is hard to beat a person who never gives up. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. You are not obligated to win. You are obligated to keep trying to do the best you can every day. Success is not always about greatness, it is about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Obstacles can't stop you, problems can't stop you. Most of all, other people can't stop you. Only you can stop you.
Whatever we believe about ourselves, our ability comes true for us. Thank you.